Amplify helps your brand grow by making it easy for employees to share posts in just a couple of clicks, while Amplify admins create, manage, and track it all. Start by creating a new Amplify post, then choose the type you want: a regular Amplify post, a featured post that will be pinned to the top of your advocate's Amplify page, or an internal announcement that advocates can view but not share. Next, select the social networks and build your post. You can assign it a topic, lock it to prevent edits, and set an expiry date. When it's ready, post it immediately, schedule it for later, or save it as a draft. To create similar posts, post it, then make a duplicate to get started right away. Have corporate content you want to make viral? Send it to Amplify, let advocates repost it, and get even more engagement. Head over to your content calendar in Plan. Find something worth sharing, like a post that's already performed well on your brand's page, and send a previously published post to Amplify without rebuilding it. Over in Amplify, content admins can quickly sort through content at all stages of pre- or post-publishing and manage admin settings, including topics. Now, let's talk about tracking the success of your advocacy program. Amplify has a ton of analytics data to help you out, and it's all found in Hootsuite Analytics. First, take a look at your Amplify leaderboard to track the most active advocates. Then create a new report tailored to Amplify. Here you'll find the User Adoption Report, which helps you track how your advocacy program is growing by comparing the number of users you've invited against the number who have actually signed up. If signups are low, try some fun incentives to get people going, like offering a gift card to the employees who hit the top of the leaderboard this month. The Post Impact Report compares the performance of your posts by social network, member, team, and topic. You can see which networks your employees are sharing on the most, so you can know where to focus your content efforts. There are also specific reports for Facebook, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn engagement, so you can see what's generating the most comments, shares, and likes on a specific network. All reports can be customized, downloaded, or scheduled to be emailed to team members. For advanced tracking, Auto UTM tagging automatically adds custom parameters to posts, making it easy to measure results in tools like Google Analytics. Work with your Hootsuite representative to set up your source, medium, and campaign tags.